In a significant discovery, scientists have uncovered a 37,000-year-old bamboo fossil in Manipur's Imphal Valley that could reshape Asia's botanical history and reveal Ice Age secrets. The fossilized bamboo stem, found among the silt-rich deposits of the Chirang River, shows rare, well-preserved marks of long-vanished thorns, an early defense mechanism against herbivores. This find represents Asia's earliest non-thorny bamboo fossil and provides groundbreaking evidence of bamboo's survival during the Ice Age in the region. Bamboo fossils are exceptionally rare due to the delicate, hollow stems and fibrous tissues that decompose quickly, leaving little trace in geological records. Until now, scientists mainly understood bamboo defenses by studying living species. The research team from the Birbal Sahani Institute of Paleosciences, BSIP, affiliated with the Department of Science and Technology, conducted detailed morphological analysis of the fossil's knots, buds, and thorn scars in the laboratory. They identified it as belonging to the genus Chimonobambusa, which helped reconstruct the plant's ancient defensive traits and ecological role based on comparisons with modern thorny bamboos like Bambusa bambus and Chimonobambusa calosa. This discovery carries significant implications as the fossil dates back to a period of colder, drier climates that led to bamboo's disappearance in many parts of the world, including Europe. It reveals that while harsh Ice Age conditions restricted bamboo distribution globally, Northeast India, particularly the Indo-Burma biodiversity hotspot, acted as a refuge where bamboo thrived. The study sheds new light on bamboo evolution, regional climate history, and biodiversity resilience during global environmental stress. The rare preservation of delicate thorn scars and buds makes this find a landmark botanical and paleoclimatic contribution that enriches our understanding of ancient ecosystems and the protective strategies plants developed tens of thousands of years ago.